My dear students, how are you all? I hope you will fine and I welcome you to the science class for class 8. And today we are going to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 8, cell structure and functions. So without wasting time, let's get started. So in previous classes you have learned that all living things like plants, like animals and all microorganisms, they are made up of tiny things called cells. Okay, cell. So plants are made up of cells, animals are made up of cells, and microorganisms are made up of cells. Okay, yes, but can we see them with our own eyes, with our naked eyes? No, we cannot see just like this. Okay, हम उसको ऐसे ही नहीं देख सकते हैं. Okay, yes, we need some kind of instrument to see them. Okay, yes, so just like hand lens or the microscope is required to see them, because they are very small, very small, or you can say tiny. Okay, yes, if you see with our eyes, so we can see in a plant, we can see its leaves, we can see its branches, we can see its stem, we can see its roots. Okay, but we cannot see its cells. Okay, similarly if you see any animal, so we can see its head, its leg, its arms, its chest. Okay, but we cannot see its cells. Okay, to see its cells we need these instrument. Okay, हम ये इंस्ट्रूमेंट की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी इसके सेल्स को देखने के लिए, उसके इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर को स्टडी करने की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. ठीक है, येस, देन वी कैन नो एंड वी कैन सी द सेल. ओके, येस, जस्ट लाइक all the parts of our body is made up of cells. Just like brain is made up of cells, small cells, lungs, they are made up of cells, heart is also made up of cells, liver, then genitalia, which is a part of reproductive system. Okay, yes, then kidney, all these things are made up of tiny cells. Okay, yes. So next is discovery of cells. So discovery of cell was done by this famous personality known as Robert Hooke. Okay, so he was a scientist who discovered first time the cell. Okay, how he discovered? So he took a small part of bark. Okay, cork, we can say cork is a part of the bark. Okay, so this is the tree and this is the bark. Okay, so this is the bark. Okay, and a small portion of it will be called as a cork. Okay, so this scientist, he took a small part of cork and he put on this crude microscope. What do you mean by crude microscope? Crude microscope, it means the very basic microscope. It was not that much advanced which is now available. ठीक है, पहले ये काफ़ी बेसिक था, सिंपल था. ठीक है, तो इसीलिए इसे को बोलते हैं क्रूड माइक्रोस्कोप. ठीक है, तो when he took a small part of this cork and he put on it in its, and when he saw, so he saw something like this. Okay, so he saw compound. Okay, so he saw that this cork was made up of small boxes. Okay, like compartment. Okay, yes, so he named these compartments as a cell. Okay, इसको क्या उन्होंने नाम दिया? इसको उन्होंने नाम दिया cell. ठीक है, yes, it was just like honey. Okay, yes, so but after the discovery of cell by this Robert Hooke, it was not that much famous. Okay, but after the 100 year means after a very long time, when the developed advanced microscope was discovered or made, then it was focused. The study of cell was come to known. Okay, yes. Now the next is the cell. Okay, so cell is the basic structure So cell is the basic structural and functional unit of any living organisms. So you can compare this cell. So this is the cell of onion, okay, the peel of onion. So this is a onion peel, and this is the peel. We have taken a small part, then after it we have taken more small part of it, and then when we observe on the microscope, so we will see something like this, okay. So इसके एक छोटे पार्ट को अगर हम लोग माइक्रोस्कोप से देखेंगे तो हमको ऐसे कुछ दिखाई देगा, ठीक है। सो ये जो सेल है इसको हम लोग कंपेयर कर सकते हैं ब्रिक के साथ में, जो कि इसका यूज होता है दीवार बनाने के लिए, ठीक है। तो जैसे दीवार बनाने के लिए यूज होता है एक बहुत सारे ब्रिक्स को यूज करके एक ऐसे दीवार बनती है, और अगर दूर से हम लोग देखेंगे तो पूरा रेड दिखेगा, ठीक है ना, रेड दिखेगा। जब हम इसके पास आएंगे तब हमको ये ब्रिक्स ऐसा लगेगा कि हाँ ये छोटे छोटे ब्रिक्स के मिलके ये दीवार बनी है। वैसे ही ये जो कोई भी सेल होता है, कोई भी ऑर्गेनिजम्स का पार्ट होता है, वो ऐसे छोटे छोटे सेल से मिलके बना होता है। और ये बात ये होता है कि ये इतना छोटा होता है कि हम अपने आँखों से ऐसे देख नहीं सकते। इसके लिए हमें इंस्ट्रूमेंट की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, जो कि है माइक्रोस्कोप एंड हैंड लेंस की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, ओके, यस। So just like using these bricks, we can make different shape of room, different shape of our houses, okay. Similarly, these cells are combined together to form different organ, okay, just like we have seen here, okay, yes. So these cells are and these cells of brain will be different from cells of lungs, then cells of heart will be different, and liver cells will be different, then genital reproductive organ cells will be different, then the kidney cells will be different. What do you mean by? Okay, suppose the brain cells are square shape, so all the square shape brain will combine together, they form brain, okay. Suppose lungs cells are rectangular, okay, yes. And suppose heart cells are triangular, so all the triangular shapes will combine, okay, yes. So it is not necessary to be same kind, that all the part of the body cells will be same, okay, of the same kind, okay. It may be different, okay, yes. Just like in case of a house building, okay, house building, it is not necessary that we always use this kind of brick. We can use this kind of brick, cement brick, okay, yes. So in the same manner, it is not necessary that always the cell will be rectangular. It may be circular, okay, it may be square shape, it may be triangle shape, okay, yes. So that is the cell. So that's all for today's class. If you have any doubt, please ask. Here you have some question, try to answer them. What is cell? And the next is write about the discovery of cells, okay. So who discovered, how discovered, okay, yes. So you have to write about that. So thank you so much, keep studying, bye bye.